Hello students. Last class we studied about plane mirror, its properties, loss of reflections and image formation by a plane mirror. Today the second lecture we are talking about height of the mirror required by the plane mirror. Suppose person height is h. He want to buy a plane mirror so that he can see his head and feet completely in a plane mirror. So how much height is required? Can you tell me? How much height plane mirror you will buy when you go for a shop? Suppose person height is h. How much height mirror you will buy? H. So a lamba 6 feet hai. So you will buy 6 feet of the plane mirror? No. So answer is h by 2. So if I put a plane mirror of height h by 2, we can see complete person ka image in the plane mirror and we will prove also. Okay. So show that minimum size of the plane mirror required to see full image of an observer is half the size of the observer. Okay. So we have to find the h by 2, we have to prove. Okay. So see, this is a person height. I call this as h, head, and this is feet. And here I am putting a plane mirror. You know already distance of object from the mirror is equal to distance of image to the mirror. So image will be formed same distance mein, it is formed like this, right? Virtual image, right? H dash f dash. Okay. Now when he can see the complete image of in the plane mirror, tell me, when head say ray will be coming and hitting and reaching to our eye, then only he can see the head ka in the mirror. And similarly feet say where the ray should come and hit the mirror and reflected to the eye. Okay, then only we can see the image, right? So here I am drawing head say one ray to the mirror and it will reach to the eye. मान लो eye is here, person eye here he is seeing. Okay, and I'm drawing a normal line is perpendicular to surface, right? This is the angle of incidence. This is also angle of reflection. I call as I and I. Okay. Similarly, feet say one ray is coming and it should reach to the eye. Then only you can see head and feet completely in the eye. Okay. Now I am drawing normal perpendicular to surface. Okay. So this is angle of incidence theta, angle of reflection theta. Now आपको this part of the mirror is not required, no? Of course, see, because head say ray is coming and reaching to the eye, this eye, and feet say rays are coming and reaching to the eye. So this mirror, of course, the extra part is not required for us. This extra part is not required. We required plane mirror only this much. That is how much we have to prove. I want to prove it is person ka height by 2. Dekho. If you name it 90 degrees, right? So here A, B, E is there, F, D. Okay. Now I am taking these two triangles. Kaun sa triangle? H, B, A, and next triangle E, A, or E, B, A. These two triangles I am taking. If you see these two triangles, they are congruent. Congruent means, you know, right? We said, right? Two triangles are said to be congruent when corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles are equal, right? So if you see carefully, this is 90, 90. These two triangles I am proving congruent. This angle and this angle are equal, and this is the common side. So by ASA, right? By ASA, we can prove they both are congruent. Congruent means, you know, right? Congruent means the sides are equal. So if I consider this as x, this is also x. Same way, I am taking these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle. कौन सा? Triangle EDG ले लो, G, and triangle FDG. So these two triangles I am proving congruent. See 90, 90, same way, common side, theta theta, angle angle equal. So ASA, angle side angle. So ASA, they both are congruent. That means if I consider this side as y, this also y only, right? Now this will be how much? This width is how much? X plus y. Now if you see, what is the height of the person as per the diagram? Height of the person is how much? Totally x plus y plus y, that is 2 times of x plus y. This is the height of the person. And height of the mirror, the diagram mein how much? Height of the mirror, in the diagram mein how much? It is x plus y. So therefore what is the relation between them? Height of the person is, देखो if you see carefully, height of the mirror, इसको by 2 किया तो will get this one, right? This is the height of the person, उसको by 2 करो, you will get this one, because 2 get cancelled. That means we prove that height of the mirror required is h by 2. The person height is h, this I call as h. So from this x plus y is equal to h by 2, right? And this is x plus y, right? X plus y is nothing but h by 2. That means we proved height of the mirror is required is h by 2. So you have to remember this as a a formula. So person height is h. He can see, we want to buy a plane mirror. How much you have to buy? H by 2. This is a proof. Okay, by using the congruent of triangles may be proved. Understood? Okay, chalo. Next. Okay, next. A boy is standing midway between a wall of height h and a plane mirror. Okay, so plane mirror is there. The wall is there. The boy is standing exactly midway between plane mirror and the wall. Midway means d, distance d, and this is also d. Okay. Iska wall is height h. Okay, this is a height h. Okay, and the plane mirror. Find the minimum length of the mirror required to see the complete image of the wall. He want to see the complete image of the wall. See, he is standing in between. Front mirror is there, back side wall is there. He want to see the complete image of the wall, in the plane mirror. So how much mirror height is required? If I take a wall height is h, how much height is required? It's not h by 2. देखो same concept के through जाएंगे. So this is I मान लो. This person का I is here on, right? So what I'm doing is, I'm taking I person is here. Okay. Now tell me, when he can see, when the top of the wall should fall on his eyes. So the ray is coming like this and it is reaching to our eye. Okay. So I'm drawing normal. This is normal. Perpendicular surface. Okay. And then bottom of the wall should reach to the eye. Then only you can see the complete image of the wall. Top of the wall should reach to the eye and bottom of the wall should reach to the eye. Then only you can see the complete image of the wall, right? I will call angle of incidence, this one angle of incidence I, this also I, right? And similarly, I am drawing normal here. This is angle of reflection here also. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection I drew. Okay. Now to form triangles, I am joining this one. I am drawing one perpendicular line, and here also I am drawing one perpendicular line. Okay, 90. So that I can form. See, this is one triangle. This is one triangle. Similarly, this is border triangle and this is border triangle. I can call this as x. This distance and this distance as y. Okay, chalo. Now same way here I called A, B, C, E is there already. D, F, G. Okay. Here I am taking two triangles and I am proving similarity. Similar. Dekho, which triangles I am taking? Triangle A, C, B. दिस वन एंड ट्रायंगल इसको H लेंगे, H ले लो. सेकंड ट्रायंगल में ट्रायंगल HCE, this small triangle I'm taking. Okay, this is E, right? Okay, these two triangles. Similar means, you know, right? Similarity of triangles means two triangles are similar when the corresponding sides are proportion and corresponding angles are equal, then we can say they are similar, right? Proportion है, side equal नहीं है, equal वाला congruency है, ये similarity है. और देखो, if you see carefully, this 90, this angle, they are equal. That means by angle, they both are similar. They both are similar by angle. Right? If they are similar, the sides are proportion. Now देखो, छोटा side कितना होगा? This side is how much? This side is how much? Tell me. This side is how much from here to here? बड़ा side is how much? Tell me first. बड़ा side is 2D and small side is D. This side is D. This side is 2D. Double हो रहा है ना? छोटा side is D. बड़ा side is becoming 2D. Double हो रहा है. Similarly, if this is X, this will be 2X. Right? Double हो रहा है ना? Similarity means sides are proportional. All should be satisfying the same thing. Okay. Same way, this is now कितना है? This is X. I am joining this one. This is X. This is Y, right? Okay. Now take these two triangles. कौन सा? Triangle EF I लगाओ. EFI and second triangle DFG. Here also same thing. Angle is there. 90 is there. They both are similar by angle. When the sides are similar, when they are similar, triangles are similar, the sides are proportional. Now see, smaller side is D, the bada side is 2D. Similarly, small side is Y, this side will be double रहेगा 2Y. Now from the diagram में height of the wall is how much? H को क्या कैसे करेंगे? 2x plus x 3x plus 3y. So if I take common 3 times of x plus y, right? This is the height of the wall. And देखो ये external ये तो नहीं चाहिए ना? We remove this one. ये कितना है इधर? x plus y only. Now height of the mirror is how much? Height of the mirror is how much? The diagram में x plus y. Now from this x plus y is how much? X plus y is equal to h by 3. That all right? Is equal to h by 3. मतलब if the wall height is h, if the person is standing in between, then how much mirror height is required? H by 3. Understood? Clarity? By similarity of triangles में we proved. So this also you have to make the result in brain. Okay, result याद रखो, very important. If wall height is h, you are standing in between, you want to see the complete image of the wall. Okay, आपको कितना mirror चाहिए? आपको h by 3 चाहिए, right? Okay, now next one. देखो, a point source of light is at a distance L in front of the center of the plane of the width D of the mirror. देखो, mirror is there, उसका width is how much? D, and this is placed exactly center में, right? Center of this also, mirror also, center of the mirror also. मतलब this is D by 2, this is D by 2, right? Source is placed at the center, and this also देखो distance also L, and this is 12, देखो, which is hanging vertically on the wall. This mirror is hanging vertically on the wall. A man walks in front of the mirror at the line parallel to the mirror. A person is walking like this, ting 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 बोल के जा रहा है ऐसा. Okay, parallel to the mirror. At a distance 12 shown below, that the man is walking here. ऐसा walking करके जा रहा है. Distance कितना? 12 from the mirror. Okay. The distance over which the man can see the light source in the mirror is. So how much distance में he can see up the source का image. That means see, मान लो suppose बीच में one pen is there, उधर mirror is there. I am not physically seeing this object, I am seeing the image in the mirror of this object. Okay, I am seeing and walking. So up to certain distance तक you can see the image of this object. After certain distance cross करने के बाद you cannot see. फिर से 1 स्टेप बैक आए तो यू कैन सी, 1 स्टेप फॉरवर्ड आए तो यू कैनॉट सी। ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड फील्ड ऑफ व्यू बोलते हैं उस कॉन्सेप्ट को, फील्ड ऑफ व्यू। मतलब ही इज सीइंग द इमेज, द पर्सन इज सीइंग द इमेज इन द मिरर में, सो द सोर्स का इमेज देख रहे हैं, सो ही इज एबल टू सी हियर 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 अप टू सर्टेन पॉइंट, इधर तक ही सी मान लो। उसके बाद he cannot see, इसके बाद he cannot see the image of this source. So that distance is how much is asking, and this concept is called as field of view. Field of view, very important, understand karo, field of view. चलो, now the distance is how much in terms of d में वगैरह में we will see. Okay, चलो, now देखो सेम कॉन्सेप्ट होना अभी तक जो भी किया है, व्हेन ही कैन सी द अप टू इमेज व्हेन द रिफ्लेक्टेड रेस शुड मीट ऑन हिज आइज, राइट। ओके, चलो नो क्या होगा, द पर्सन अप टू मान लो इधर तक मैक्सिमम गया, सो ये लास्ट कॉर्नर का इमेज लाइक दिस इज कमिंग एंड इट कैन सी अप टू द सर्टेन डिस्टेंस तक, कितना तक ये दिखेगा। उसके बाद द व्यू से बाहर निकल जाएगा, वी कैन नॉट एबल टू सी द इमेज ऑफ दिस सोर्स। ओके, सो दिस इज आई एम ड्रॉइंग लाइक दिस इज नॉर्मल आई एम ड्रॉइंग, so that I can put incident ray and reflected ray, right? now देखो सेम वे इधर से सोर्स से आएगा, कॉर्नर में हिट करेगा एंड इट विल गो अप टू सर्टेन डिस्टेंस मान लो तक। सो आई एम ड्राइंग द नॉर्मल एंड इंसिडेंट रे, सो सॉरी थोड़ा क्रॉस लगाएंगे, इट इज इजी फॉर यू। ओके, मान लो द पर्सन स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हियर अप टू हियर से स्टार्ट हुआ, जैसा इधर इधर इसके बाद ही कैनॉट सी। ओके, नाउ आई एम ड्राइंग नॉर्मल, सो दिस इज एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस एंड दिस इज एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। ओके, नाउ आई वांट टू सी दिस डिस्टेंस, कंप्लीट डिस्टेंस इज हाउ मच। ओके, you tell me again same way, I am drawing one perpendicular line so that to form triangles and also one perpendicular line, and this distance is how much I told you, this is d by 2, this is also d by 2. Okay, now if you see carefully these two triangles are similar, same way, same concept you are applying, see 90 90 and this angle, so by angle we can say they are both are similar, and similar concept क्या है, two sides are proportional should be there, corresponding side should be proportional always. Okay, all sides should be proportional. now देखो छोटा डिस्टेंस इज l, बड़ा डिस्टेंस इज, बड़ा ट्राइंगल का डिस्टेंस इज 2l, मतलब डबल हो रहा है ना, राइट। सो टू बी प्रोपोर्शन, स्मॉलर साइड, स्मॉलर ट्राइंगल का साइड इज d by 2, दिस बिगर साइड विल बी डबल ऑफ d by 2 इज d, राइट। अंडरस्टूड, प्रोपोर्शन होने के लिए डबल हो रहा है ना, सो दिस आल्सो शुड बी डबल। ओके, नाउ देखो here also this distance is how much, d, right? So this is d, right? Now देखो this triangle 90, this triangle 90, and this angle, so by angle they both are similar, means side should be proportion. Now छोटा side is l, बड़ा side will be 2l. Similarly this side is d by 2, this bigger side will be double रहेगा ना, so d. So therefore पर्सन का फील्ड ऑफ व्यू कितना डिस्टेंस जाएगा, d प्लस डी प्लस डी, सो 3d डिस्टेंस तक दिस इज अ फील्ड ऑफ व्यू, फील्ड ऑफ व्यू ऑफ द पर्सन। ओके, अप टू 3d डिस्टेंस, आंसर इज 3d. सो 3d के बाद ही कांट सी दिस ऑब्जेक्ट, नो इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड, राइट। सो आपको 3 things today we discussed. One is plane mirror, person का height h है, he want to see the image completely on the mirror, how much height he has to buy from the market, plane mirror का means nothing but h by 2. Same way second case what we done, person is standing in between wall and the mirror, he want to see the wall का image on the mirror, so कितना distance, कितना mirror you have to bring, h by 3, wall height is h by 3, एंड दिस फील्ड ऑफ व्यू कॉन्सेप्ट, कोई भी होने दो ऐसा फील्ड ऑफ व्यू ऐसा फाइंड करने का, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, मेंस लेवल में क्वेश्चंस आर केम लाइक दिस। ओके, सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, इट हैज सो मेनी 12th class videos and we are continuing the ray optics and total 12th class I am putting the videos and YouTube. Okay, thank you.